Hi guys, welcome back to Justin Toyota. So today I have this big gift from big mysterious random gift with random things inside. And you'll never know what's inside. Let's rip it. Let's rip it, boy. Let's rip it, boy. Are you continuing? So yeah, we're doing this and we can get the peek. No, just leave the box on accident. Yeah. This will do things first. We rip it. Just joking. We don't rip things. Let's do this. Let's see what's that. Okay, something big. Oh, I cut that. Oh, forget about it. Let's just cut it. Okay, let's rip it for no reason. Let's open it. Oh, it's a big box. Ah, you go. Oh, I'm ripping it. Yeah, okay. Yeah. It's right, get ripped. Yeah. I'm sorry, precious one. It's a remote control monster truck. Yes. I've been wishing for I've been wanting a remote control car ever since I broke the rest of mine. I'm not kidding. All of my ones already been broken, but now my luck. Yes, I'm happy with it. Looks like we ripped this precious block. It looks like we ripped this box. Batteries each sold straight. FYI, look at the bottom, you need batteries. Oh, rip this box. Oh, your batteries are included. Nice. Batteries are included. Nice. Here. Pull. Pull. I can cut this thing. Ooh. Wait, you can put a cam on this thing. Batteries included. It shows the batteries and I included. It shows blame. I don't like it when they don't. Why did my scissors? It's just right behind me. I'm so lazy. I can't believe there's no batteries. So we can have trouble. Is this stairs? You see? We got this tiny screwdriver. We've got this tiny screwdriver. Finally, my dreams. This thing needs to be charged by batteries. It feels like my cousin's, but no. Okay, you put these pellets right here so that you remember the stars. Ah, you sick! Okay, guys, we're going to pause the video and we're going to be right back with batteries. Okay, we're going to be right back. Guys, we are back and we've got batteries. And we've already got it. The batteries are... Let's... The battery. Oh! It went past the camera, guys. And you can put your phone here, and which you can see through here. And you can then after that you can control. Ding, dun, 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 dun. Yeah, this is the best gift that I've ever had. Okay, so where is it? Oh, you're gonna break it. Don't break it. I read this is expensive. It's very expensive. Go, go, go. Oh! You can actually attach the phone to the controller.
There's a camera into the charger. This one is camera.
Is it? It's got a camera on here. And then you can put the phone here.
I took can fly?
No, it can't. No, it can't fly. How can
It's good if the one can fly. So this one have camera. So can put the camera.
Yeah, which camera you want to put?
The phone.
Which phone?
Holder. So while you're playing, you can take video. So this one also, this car also have camera.
Yeah, this car.
Okay. They got camera here.
The camera.
I thought this one can fly. It's good if can fly.
No, it can't. We got driver. We got run. The shoe. It's the shoe part. Back here. We got run. We got runner. We got run on 895. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my god. Woo. Yeah. Bye bye, guys. See you next time. For always, please like, share, link in the below. So yeah, if you like my new remote control car, please like, share, and link the bell. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. It's back, it's back, it's back. Ow, it hit my feet. Oh.